Hi, have you ever seen a semicolon and wondered, when do I use this thing? Well, today I'm going to show you how to use semicolons correctly. And trust me, it's easier than you think. So what is a semicolon? A semicolon is stronger than a comma, but weaker than a period or a full stop. A semicolon is like a traffic cop in a sentence. It helps ideas flow smoothly without a full stop. It's stronger than a comma, but it's not as final as a period or a full stop. Think of it as a soft pause. So, how do you use a semicolon? There are two main ways. Firstly, to connect two closely related sentences. So use a semicolon between two independent clauses that are closely related. Sometimes you have two complete sentences that go together, but you don't want a hard stop. That's when a semicolon comes to the rescue. I love coffee. It keeps me awake. Or, I love teaching English. My students make it worthwhile. See, the second sentence adds to the first one, so a semicolon works perfectly. You can also use semicolons to separate items in a list when commas aren't enough. For example, for the picnic, we packed sandwiches with cheese, lettuce and tomato, semicolon, a fruit salad with apples, oranges and grapes, semicolon, and lemonade with ice and mint. You can use a semicolon in a list when items already have commas, for example, in a complex list. On our trip to Paris, we visited Paris, France, Rome, Italy, and Madrid, Spain. A confusing list with only commas, then a corrected version with semicolons. On our trip, we visited Paris, France, semicolon, Rome, Italy, semicolon, and Madrid, Spain. Without semicolons, the list is confusing. This helps your reader understand each part clearly. Okay, finally, what not to do with semicolons. Let's talk about common mistakes so you don't mess up. Don't use a semicolon between a sentence and a fragment. I love pizza, it's my favorite food. Correct, because it is two full sentences. And not, I love pizza semicolon, especially pepperoni. Wrong, that second part isn't a full sentence. Okay, that's it for today. I hope you feel more confident using semicolons. Use it to join two sentences or use it to separate long list items. Give it a try. Write your own sentence with a semicolon in the comments below. And don't forget to share, like and subscribe for more easy English lessons. Bye bye, take care.